Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I bought an iPhone 16 Pro Max and I was looking for a reliable phone cover, and I found this ESR Pro Case Protection set on Amazon for just $15. I was pretty impressed with the review, so I bought it. Inside the box you get a screen protector, a case and a set of easy press buttons. Let me unbox and show you what's inside and also show you how to install the screen protector. So inside the plastic packaging you get this easy press buttons in yellow color, and you have one wet wipe, a microfiber cloth and 3 dust removal stickers. So here's the warranty guide, easy replacement with no return needed. So if the item is damaged or if you are not happy with the quality, you can get a refund without having to return the item, and they are offering 24 months warranty. Probably the quality is really good. And they also have got other accessories such as power bank and MagSafe chargers. You can check them out on their Amazon store. And here's some paperwork on how to install the screen protector. And here's the alignment frame that you need to put on the iPhone before you install the screen protector. Here is the tempered glass screen protector. You have got only one screen protector inside the box, so you have to make sure you do it right. And finally, here's the iPhone 16 Pro Max protective case. It's black color and it has got a translucent back, and it's also available in some other colors. You can check it out. And here's the MagSafe ring. On the side you have got the cutout for the camera control. Overall, it's a well-built, nice iPhone case. Now let me show you how to install the screen protector. First, you need to clean the screen using the wet wipe. Clean it until all the smudges disappear. Then take the microfiber cloth and wipe the screen. Make sure the screen is now dry, and take the dust removal sticker and remove all the dust particles on the screen. Now put the alignment frame on the screen. Just peel off the sticker on the screen protector and just drop it inside the alignment frame. It's just easy as that. Just clean it until all the smudges and the bubbles are removed. The screen protector installation was pretty easy thanks to the alignment frame. Now it's time to put the case on to the iPhone. I'm pretty impressed with the quality of this case. It will definitely give a very good protection to your phone. On the box it says military grade protection. I don't know if it can provide that level of protection, but definitely this case is worth the price. The case has a better grip due to the texture on the sides, and the back of the case is translucent and feels very smooth and premium. Now let me show you how to remove the side buttons and replace them with easy press yellow buttons. Just push them off from the outside and all those buttons will just remove and fall off. Then you can simply replace them with those yellow buttons. Let me know in the comments if you need the link to this product. I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next video.